What is dual clutch transmission, and how does it work? Dual clutch transmissions are a bit of a hybrid of a manual and automatic transmission at their core. A DCT works by using two clutches instead of one, and both are controlled, so there's no need for a clutch pedal. Clutch transmission to the automatic transmission. However, the main difference is that DCT operates odd and even gear numbers separately. It prevents the engine from disengaging by interrupting power flow when the gears change. How is DCT different from an automatic transmission? The dual clutch will be automatic clutch, but this is where similarities end. The dual clutch transmission is more in common with manual transmission, rather than an automatic. How is DCT different from the manual transmission? While changing gears through manual transmission, second is take action. Comparison, DCT gears take approximately 8 seconds, which makes efficiency evident. How is a DCT different from a continuously variable? The major difference between DCT and CVT lies in the type of vehicle that it is installed. DCT is commonly found in high-performance vehicles that are manufactured in a comparatively lower volume. Benefits of DCT. There are many benefits of DCT. Some of them are: acceleration is improved, gear changing is smooth, efficiency of fuel. Meta title: what is dual clutch transmission, and how does it work? Meta description: dual clutch transmissions are a hybrid of a manual automatic transmission at core. Thanks for watching the video. www.carwinner.com